guys, welcome again to our TBA tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make your book cover. So if you are used to writing books and selling them online, or you want to post them online, you want to advertise them online, this tutorial is going to help you to be able to make your book cover after you've designed it. So you need to understand that first you need to design the book cover, and secondly you need to make the book cover, as in you need to make it to look like a book cover when you posted it online. All right, so we're gonna go to the first step, and I'm gonna give you the website. So please, I want you to just pay a little bit of attention. Thank you very much. I'll get back to you in a jiffy. All right, I believe we are set. So we go straight to this website. We call it DIYbookcovers.com. When you type on DIY book covers, or you can just say DIYbookcovers.com, and you're gonna go to this site. It's gonna take you to this site. So as you can see, we have different designs of book covers, and you just need to choose your own. You can look here, you'll see composite. You can click on composite, and when you click on composite, you're gonna see different designs, and you can select yours. So I believe that the first thing you do is you first of all design your book. All right, you first of all design your book cover, and then you put it in your gallery. And the next thing to do is to come on the site, and then you can upload that design. So I'm going to show you how to do everything. You can also do it in the form of a CD, or you can do it in the form of like you want to put it in the form of tablet. I want to go to the desktop site, to the phone site, so that you see it closely. All right, so you can see, you can choose your book cover to be like this, or you can choose a composite, so that maybe you want to advertise it online. For example, you've designed your book and it's already in your gallery. So what are you going to do? You're going to select any one of these designs. Let me just say I want this second one. So I click on it, and it goes straight to the next step that it's going to take me, and then I click on next. So it tells me to browse. I have to click on browse. I'll just select any picture because I don't write books, so I'm not a book writer either. So I'll just select any good picture so that it comes up like the design of a book. So let me say I'm gonna select my logo. Let me look for my company logo and see if it's possible to come out in a very catchy shape, you know. Okay, let me take this one. All right, so I'm gonna upload this, and it's gonna upload here. I think I've already uploaded it, so it's gonna upload here. On this is written of inspiration, and then I click on next. All right, so you can see when you click on next, it shows you want PNG or JPEG. So whichever one you want, you can select it. I want JPEG, so I've selected the JPEG, and then I click on the red tick. Okay, I click on the red tick, and it's gonna take me to download. So it's been downloading. It has downloaded already. So everything is already done like this, sir. All right, so you just need to come here. You click on these 3 black spots on the right top, and you click on downloads. When you click on downloads, you're gonna see my book. Can you see my book? Let me zoom it so that you see it very well. So can you see it is in the form of a book, it is in the form of a phone, and it's in the form of a tablet. So that's how you can design your book cover online, and it's gonna be just cool, as in just cool. Thank you very much. subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on YouTube, Tamfuh Business Academy. You can also support us in any way, and you can also register for our paid courses on Forex, cryptocurrency designs, and more. Thank you very much, and have a nice time.